back there, just a couple things, and then the rest will do the tree.
We're going to be careful. We're going to listen to these guys who are trained professionals.
Main thing, especially in this area, when we're backfilling, we want to try to get as much soil around the tree roots as possible.
In groups of 3 or 4, go up to one of these guys and go up there with them.
There's trees up front. Let's go find a tree.
I think one of our core values here in our district and at Talent is, this notion of community service and knowing that when kids are engaged and connected to their community, they're more likely to be successful in the future. So it's just really cool to be able to see them plant trees that they'll be able to see grow for years and years and years. They love it. Yeah, anytime you can get them outside doing work in the garden, it's the best. We partner with Rogue Valley Farm to School, and so our 3rd grade classes get to work in our school garden. So I thought this was a good opportunity to extend that understanding of service and planting and all those things. So, and then we have the best maintenance team. When I asked John, he was like, oh, of course we can do that. And so it's nice for them to entertain us with the children, so that they can have a little investment in the property that they get to come to every single day. They do everything to make our property look beautiful and the facilities run smoothly, but for them to have that ability to kind of connect with the students is special too.
What you do is you kind of take it out of the hole, you kind of hit it, should come right out, see?
Wow.
Yeah.
That's impossible.
Yeah.
I could either hold the bag here and you guys could reach.
Just dirt goes back into the ground.
Oh, yeah.
You can't get a good job. You got the good idea.
Wait on me.
That's
Put the
good.
stick.
Get him to do the work.
Just poke it a little bit.
I think it's good enough. I'm I am lifting.
There you go. Nice.
There's that funny saying that goes, you look good, you feel good, you act good. So, to me, when our facilities look pristine, it, ratchets up the level of kind of professionalism. And this is a really important space for me and for all of our kids and our families. So making sure that we have it nicely, manicured and beautiful is really important to me.